Hi, welcome to Kratos BI. My name is Chris Wagner, and today we're going to be talking about the 3 steps to debugging in Power BI. Alright, before we get into it, if you like this content, hit that little like button. Go ahead, subscribe. I know 80% of you haven't done that yet, so hit that subscribe button. If you really like the content, go ahead, turn on that alarm bell. You get notified whenever we're putting out content. All right, let's head over to it. Why? All right, this one, it's going to be a lot of me talking to you. All right, because we're going to be talking about what do you do? What do you do when you run into a problem in Power BI? All right, there's 3 steps that I tell every single person that I work with. The absolute first step that we're talking about, first one, and this is hands down, this number 1 step is the most valuable thing that you're going to do inside of Power BI, and that's spend 1 to 2 hours researching, digging into, trying to understand what's going on inside of Power BI. Go out to SQLBI.com, go and read some of their blog content, go watch some Guy in the Cube videos, see what they have to say on the subject, go pick up the Beginner's Guide to DAX, right? Go through that documentation that's out there. Check out Ken Plus's book on supercharging your Power BI. Go through and research and understand and read about the subject. That entire process is insanely beneficial for you growing and developing your skill set, okay? So never ever shortchange yourself by trying to skip over this part. Spend an hour or 2, heck, maybe even a little bit longer, going through and trying to understand what's going on inside of Power BI that is going on with DAX. Try some experiments. Pull up a sample data set. Try to recreate what the issue that you're having in another data set. Try to approach the problem that you're having from a different direction. Read up on different ways to handle those experiences, okay? That 1 to 2 hours that you spend in researching and experimenting is insanely valuable. But at the end of that period of time, you start to reach into diminishing returns, okay? And then it's time to kind of move on. All right, step number 2. This is my favorite step, and this is one that I find most effective, oftentimes in resolving issues. It's called rubber duck programming, and basically what you do is, and it's frankly, this is why I have my little guys here, like Vincent Van Gogh here. What you do is you sit and you explain in detail what's going on and what it is you're trying to do, and the problems that you're facing. You explain it to Vincent Van Gogh or a rubber ducker, and you start to walk through and verbally express each step and each component as to what you're trying to do and the problems that you're having. The brilliance of this comes when you realize that these problems are things that you know the solutions to yourself. You know it, and you've done research on it. You're going to run it, and you're going to find a solution that's going to fit and that's going to work for you. I got to tell you, this is one of those solutions that, while it seems wacky and it seems crazy, and God knows I'm a little bit crazy, this is really highly effective. Spend an hour or 2 talking and walking through this stuff. You'll find that it's incredibly beneficial in helping you debug or work through any challenge you have in Power BI or anything else for that matter. And then step 3, go out and ask for some help. Find a mentor, find a guide, go onto blogs, websites, reach out and ask someone for some help. You can continue to hit up my inbox. There I get 20, 30, 40 people a day. I'm doing my best to answer everybody. but find some other find some mentors. And when you reach those walls, you've been through that research. You've made a valiant effort at a couple experiments. You've done some rubber duck development. At that point in time, go out and ask someone if they can help you, or if they know of a way to solve that issue. Because odds are, the great thing about Power BI being such a popular and highly used platform is that there's a million other people who have been in your shoes just this last week or so, right? And they can help you realize, like, oh, okay, you're trying to do this like that. That's never going to work. What you got to do is you've got to set up this and then do that, A, and then go to B, and then you're going to be just fine. These are the 3 steps for debugging Power BI or dealing with any of the issues that are out there. Notice these are not technical. These are process, steps, right? Number one, do some research, dig in, think through stuff, experiment with code. Number 2, get your rubber ducky out and start talking about it. Talk to Vincent or whoever it is that you've got at your disposal. Funko Pop links below. And then number 3, go and ask someone. Right? Ask someone for some help. You can always circle back and start again and keep trying and experimenting. But when you reach that frustration point, and you don't spend like tons and tons of hours, because you will get frustrated if you're doing that. Go and ask someone for some help. All right. This is a little unusual video, like not a lot of showing, a lot of telling. I hope you got something from this. If you like this content, hit like. If you like this channel, subscribe. If you want to know exactly when I put out content, turn on that little alarm bell. If you're more appreciative than that, head over to CuriousBI.com, buy me a coffee. As a way of saying thank you, I'll send you a nice letter to you. I'll throw in a couple of these great I Love Power BI stickers. I've got, look at that, even a magnet. I even got magnets for some people. I don't have a lot of magnets. Lucky few. I got these brand new I Love Power, or the classic I Love Power BIs are back in stock. I've got more of the magical I Love Power BIs, and then the brand new I Love Power BI. Oh, I think that's so cool. Those are all in stock. If you want to do more, you want to be super cool, you want to be like Vincent, you want to be like Kratos here, head on down to that merch store, click on that link, buy yourself a t-shirt. You're gonna be looking, sporting, some cool treads. So, thank you guys very much. Have a great day. Peace.